Always hope, mga kababayan. There is always hope. Pag sabi ko ng bring him home, lumabas ang bahaghari, ang rainbow. Oh my God, I'm so sweaty. I'm so sorry about that. It's the first time in a very long time that I'm very sweaty like this. You see, that's also a reflection that, okay, it started scary. It's a very steep walk or climb. It's going to be very dangerous to a lot of people. It's dangerous looking. But if you try to press on, you just, without knowing what the consequences are, but every action, there will always be an associated reaction. So I'm a bit afraid. I was a bit afraid, but I know it's going to be difficult. It could be dangerous, but I continued. And then after continuing, I saw the rainbow, this beautiful scenery. So that means that in every difficult situation, whatever you decide in life, it will never be wrong or it will never be wrong. It will always be right as long as you stand by your decision. It's the same with deciding on supporting the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, that you are not afraid to face the consequences of losing your friends, losing your families. Perhaps they are shallow-minded because they don't respect your differing view from somebody or whatnot. Losing your close friends because apparently you decided to support a person you saw na binigay niya talaga ang buong puso niya at buhay para sa bayan, even since when he was still a vice mayor, prosecutor, congressman, mayor, and now became president or whatnot. This all boils down to making that decision, making a choice, and that choice is supporting a person in the name of former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, not because he is just that person, but because we stand by the principles that he embodies. Yan po yung iniisip na, yung na-reflect ko ngayon sa nangyari lang. Because, look, it was quite scary. I don't know the place, an unfamiliar place, but I thought, yeah, something just told, parang sinabihan lang ako, okay, climb here. Parang, I had that gut feeling to climb there. So I just did. Oh, ano nangyari? Di ba ang ganda? Ang ganda ng view pala. Look at the trail. Oh, I'm so proud of myself because I documented my walking. I will barely walk. Hoy, giving imong aura today. You feel rested. Yeah, actually, Aldo, yes. For the past few days, I was just reading and resting and resting and reading. And like, honestly, wala ko stress gang. So, where am I now? Honestly.